Also good. So welcome to the show, my dear.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So what are you going to tell us today?
So, in brief, we will discuss about what the course is all about. We will discuss its objective. We will also know what are the takeaways with it, and then who all are, the eminent resource persons associated with it. कि भाई कौन कौन लोग हैं जो इम्पार्ट कर रहे हैं अपनी नॉलेज एंड हु आर द पीपल एसोसिएटेड और उससे क्या क्या फायदे होंगे जो टीचर्स और पेरेंट्स हमसे ज्वाइन करेंगे.
तो सबसे पहले निदा ये बताएं कि ट्रेनिंग की अहमियत क्या है. हमको ट्रेनिंग क्या टीचर्स ने एक बार एजुकेशन ले ली, बीएड कर लिया, वो पास भी हो गई बीएड में, तभी उन्होंने टीचिंग जॉब ज्वाइन किया है, तो उन्हें इन सर्विस बीच बीच में ऐसी ट्रेनिंग्स लेने की क्या जरूरत है, या फिर जो अभी न्यू टीचर्स हैं जिन्होंने अभी जस्ट अपनी एजुकेशन कंप्लीट की है उनको इस तरह की ट्रेनिंग्स की क्या जरूरत है. तो आप मुख्तसरन इस पर रोशनी डालेंगी?
जी देखिए, सबसे पहले वी नीड टू लर्न कि भाई टू लर्न इज टू मेक आवरसेल्व्स केपेबल. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि एक इंसान को बहुत नॉलेज होती है बट उसे पता नहीं होता उसे अप्लाई कैसे करना है.
जी.
So the basic purpose of all these training is, to make you more knowledgeable, to make you more skillful, to make your presence of mind कि जो आपकी नॉलेज है वो आप सही जगह सही तरीके से यूज कर सकें. Because I believe a person who knows everything, but if he or she could not apply his knowledge when it's needed, he or she is not a good learner. And a learner for me should always be curious. उनको हमेशा लाइफ में कुछ सीखने की इच्छा होनी चाहिए और यही ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स आपकी ये क्यूरियोसिटी बढ़ाते हैं कि अच्छा अगर मेरी XYZ नॉलेज है तो इसको मैं कैसे इनहेंस कर सकता हूँ. So not only for teachers, in fact for any person, any kind of workshop always helps, it always motivates, it always adds on to your skills. So it is very important. For teachers also it is very important.
Yes.
Since they are the one who are day to day associated with students, and since they are the one, majority of the time they are spending with students, उनका impact बच्चों पे कितना ज्यादा होता है, उनका इंटरेक्शन किस तरह का है, उनकी खुद की पर्सनालिटी कैसी है, कैसे क्लासरूम में डील करना है, बच्चे का इमोशनल क्वेश्चन क्या है, all these training enhances all these things. So I will also say that they equipped you with unparalleled life skills to be skillful teachers, to guide your knowledge, to impact those practical knowledge in your day-to-day life.
Yes, Nida, you are right. And when I was a fresher and when I was a teacher, I always used to look up to all these types of workshops and trainings because these are refreshing as well. When you
Yes.
are teaching in the class, there are so many situations where you are puzzled. You don't understand how to handle the situations. There are children with different behaviors. There are psychological behaviors with the children. There are social behavior problems with the children. Family issues are there. So when you don't understand what exactly to do and you mingle with the teachers in these type of workshops, so there is lots of peer learning happenings. So when somebody is speaking, okay, something happened in my class, then you recall your own class. Oh my God, the same thing is happening in my class also. Then we ask, okay, how do you deal? What have you done? Whether it was effective? Okay, let me also try in my class. And in this way, the pedagogies we discuss, different things we discuss. So it's really very good, very refreshing, very energetic, and very beneficial to solve our day-to-day issues of the classrooms. तो निदा, आपकी जो ये ट्रेनिंग है, जी जी,
with same age group people, मुझे ऐसा लगता है आप नए लोगों से मिलते हो, आपका सोशल सर्कल बढ़ता है, आपका माइंड का होराइजन बढ़ता है, ये काफी हेल्प करता है लोगों को ग्रो करने में.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. तो निदा, आप ये बताएं कि ये जो आपकी ट्रेनिंग है, जो क्रिएटिव लीडर्स की ट्रेनिंग है, इसमें कौन कौन से रिसोर्स पर्सन्स आ रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये भी जानना बहुत जरूरी होता है कि जो ट्रेनिंग दी जाएगी वो कौन कौन से लोग होंगे, उनका अपना क्रेडेंशियल क्या है, उन्होंने इससे पहले ट्रेनिंग दी है, नहीं दी है, या वो किस फील्ड से एसोसिएटेड है. प्लीज जरा आप उसके बारे में बताएं.
जी, हमारे जो रिसोर्स पर्सन हैं सारे, दे आर ऑल वेरी एक्सपीरियंस एंड वेरी एमिनेंट इन देयर फील्ड ऑफ वर्क. ठीक है, दिस कोर्स इज गोइंग टू बी अ 3-month extensive course where classes will happen on every Saturday from 3 to 5. So you will have a good 2-hour session to interact and chat. Okay. Now, the people associated with this course are, first of all, is Dr. B. Ramanathan. Okay, he is founder and managing director of ACE International Private Limited, Singapore. His doctorate in biomedical, more than 20 years of experience in research and development business, development area in India, Taiwan, and Singapore. He has published several peer-reviewed research articles, book chapters, and also provide key address in conference and seminars. He is a WSQACTA certified trainer, and he has also received lot of awards and rewards for his achievement. So he's our first resource person associated, and after the end of the course, obviously you will be awarded with a certificate, which is ACE International from Singapore.
Oh, that's
So
really great, because certification plays very important role.
it plays very important role, क्योंकि जब आप कोई वर्कशॉप कर रहे होते हैं और अगर आपको उसका कुछ रिजल्ट मिलता है, तो it is always good to show to people I have done this workshop. Now, the second most important member or resource person, I will say, the organizer, host, everything, I will say, the backbone of this program is Dr. Halima Sadia. She is an educationist, principal, and trainer in TCH. Currently, Deputy Director of Education in Delhi WAF Board, NCT Delhi. Founding Principal of DPS Ajman, UAE. Then Principal in India International School, UAE. Double doctorate in management studies and Islamic studies, and she has also been a wonderful teacher and headmistress in Hamdard Public School. And I think, ma'am, we all know that you have conducted n number of workshops and number of seminars. So I need not say that you are the best person to actually be the resource person in this group.
Thank you very much,
And
Neeta.
now
Thank
coming
you.
back to our welcome, ma'am. And our third resource person is Reena Singh. She is also a principal and trainer currently in the Cuddle House, Faridabad. She is the founder of lepedu4life.com, a platform which provides training to young aspirants in teaching profession, in service teachers, and other persons associated in school. She has over 21 years of experience in pre-primary and primary education. She is currently working in IEYC, that is UK-based curriculum, and she is also the founder of 3 schools. Now, the two other people.
That's really great. That's really great. Having such a principal who has started so many new schools,
Yeah.
and then having more than 3 decades of experience, that's really going to add value in the training.
Yes, ma'am, I'm sure, because the experience count. And day to day, when people share their experiences, it enhances our knowledge only. So the fourth resource person is Tahira Sumbul, ma'am. She is a subject matter expert at IXL. It's a passionate startup in the positive parenting. She specializes in dealing with various aspects, styles and stages of parenting, pre-teens, teens parenting, parenting through academic stress and other stressful curriculum. Her solution-based technique helps parents to exert a positive influence on their children and steer them towards a resilient adulthood. And the fifth and the last resource person to this workshop is me, Nida Makbul, a certified relationship counselor and a family therapist, founder of Care Corner, a guidance and counseling center in Ranchi, which is helping, in couple counseling and breaking apprehensions of counseling, guiding parents for teenager counseling. I am currently also completing my doctorate degree in human development and childhood studies, which is just few days left. I'm also working as a school counselor and has been associated with many schools for past 9 to 10 years now. And previously, I was also associated with HelpAge India, as I worked in a lot of their projects with elderly people. And today I am here chatting with you. So these are all the 5 resource persons who will be associated with the course, who will impart their knowledge and who will help you gain, and they will help you to come up, to break your shell basically, if you have any, and to at the end of this course it will help you to enhance your personality more. It will not only increase your knowledge, it will also enhance that how you can impart that knowledge at the right time, at the right place. And being a teacher, we all know, is the most important thing. It's a blessing. So for a student, you should always be someone who he should be looking at.
So thank you very much, Nida, for informing about the resource persons. And it was really good to know that they all are experienced people and moreover passionate people. They want to do something for the community. They want to give back something to the society, whatever they have learned so far, whatever experience they have gained, whatever benefit they have taken from the society, they want to give it back. So that passion is very much required. And I appreciate the passion of each one of them. So now, audience, I think that you all must be exciting to know that how we can participate in this workshop. So let me ask Nida about the procedure, that how they can participate and what will be the takeaways from this workshop for the teachers. Yes, Nida.
See, to participate, it is very, very simple. We will be sharing a link soon. You just need to press the link. You will go to the Google form and then you can fill it up, and accordingly you can pay the fees and participate in it. It's very simple. In fact, the fee is also very, very nominal. If you have been attending workshops, you will come to know that the fee is for 3 months. It's actually nothing, to be honest. So that's just simple. We will share the link with you. We will share the link on our page and everywhere, and you can contact us accordingly. Now, what will be the takeaways? It's very important. First of all, we are focusing on 2 C's, that is critical thinking and creativity, which is very important from, I think, a teacher's point of view. Then effective lesson planning for, active classroom engagement, curriculum planning, role of EQ in effective teaching. So these will be the few of the important takeaways with this course. Plus, I also just now we talked about it, that on completion of the course you will also be granted with a certificate which is from ACE International Singapore. So these are the main takeaways from this, and of course it will enhance your knowledge, no doubt on it.
Yes, Nida, thank you very much. And along with this, along with these learnings or cognitive development, we are going to gain networking, because networking is nowadays very, very important.
Yes, yes.
If you are among the group of educated people, among the teachers or the trainers, so then you feel that you are surrounded by the people who can solve your issues, your professional issues. And when you discuss with them, when you chat with them, you are at the same cognitive level. As otherwise, in the society, when you belong to the teachers community, there is entirely different mindset of the teachers, while others, those who are into other professions, they have different mindsets. So it's always good to be at the same level for discussions, for chatting, for sharing, because then your intellect will get satisfied. Otherwise, you will always feel that, oh, whom to discuss, how to discuss. Nobody is there. Nobody is understanding my viewpoint. So it's always good to be among the people. So networking is very important. Then our seniors in the group, like Dr. Ram and Mrs. Reena Singh, they are going to be always with them, helping them, 24/7 available for them. If they want to discuss anything, they are going to be there. They are there for their even career enhancement. If there is vacancy in abroad or in India, for their promotion, for their well-being. So naturally, they are going to refer them, they are going to recommend them. So in this way, this is going to help them. They are not going to learn only 24 hours or 12 sessions. They are going to be associated for lifelong. So this is major gain from this workshop. It's not just you come, you go, you eat, you vomit and go away. It's not like that. It's like lifetime relationship building. So they are building the relationship with the community of teachers, trainers, learners, and they are surrounded by those type of peoples whose intellect is quite high. I think this is a great gain, and I'm very keen to, and I'm looking forward to attend this program because I'm also going to be benefited by this. So Nida, thank you very much. We have two teachers with us. Now let's ask them if they have any queries, any questions regarding this course. Yes, dear teachers, do you want to ask anything about this course, the Creative Leaders Teaching Workshop course?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सारी चीजें बहुत अच्छी समझ में आ गई मैडम। नो क्वेश्चंस, नो डाउट्स। इंशाल्लाह आई विल जॉइन विद यू।
Okay, so
Thank you.
thank you very much. And before we wind up, let me announce for my dear teachers that we have a few seats available on a sponsorship. So if somebody is keen to attend, they have to appear for the test, because we have to check their potential also, and we have to check their aptitude as well. And if we found them that they are quite capable of attending this workshop and they are going to give away to the society after learning, then they will be getting the sponsorship for their course. So let me make this announcement as well. तो जो टीचर्स इसको अटेंड करना चाहती हैं लेकिन वो इसको अगर इसमें स्पॉन्सरशिप चाहती हैं कि कोई उनको स्पॉन्सर करे इस कोर्स के लिए, एज दे कैन नॉट अफोर्ड, तो उसके लिए टेस्ट उनको देना पड़ेगा। अगर हमने उनको टेस्ट में देखा कि उनका एप्टीट्यूड है और वो चाहती हैं कि सीख करके दूसरों को सिखाएं, कम्युनिटी सर्विस करें, दूसरों तक पहुंचाएं इस मैसेज को, तो दे आर मोस्ट वेलकम। दे कैन कॉन्टैक्ट अस, वी विल गिव देम द डेट एंड टाइम वेयर वी हैव टू कंडक्ट द एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट।
ओके, जज़ाकल्लाह खैरन। थैंक यू मैम।
Walaikum assalam. Yes, Fatima ma'am, do you want to ask something?
नो मैम।
So you are going to join, isn't it?
इंशाल्लाह मैम।
Yes, of course. No, Nida, I don't remember how many workshops I have attended so far. Still, I am going to enroll myself for one more workshop. These workshops always enhance your horizon, and you are thinking, पहले जब लॉकडाउन हुआ था, I was thinking, oh, I am sitting at home, nothing is happening, it is so boring. But when I joined the course, I found that the same feeling the people have, but people have found their way out. And there are people who have not only enhances their knowledge, enhances their skills during this lockdown, but they have even earned more during this lockdown than before.
Yes, ma'am.
That's also
You are
happening.
right.
तो ये डिपेंड करता है आपकी सोच पे। और कई लोग ये सोचते हैं कि अरे मैं यहाँ 5,000 खर्च कर दूंगी, 2,000 खर्च कर दूंगी, 10,000 खर्च कर दूंगी, but they don't realize that if their quality is good enough, they are going to earn by their own personality, their own talents, their own skills, more than what they are spending even within 6 months or 4 months or 2 months. अदरवाइज पूरे जिंदगी वो वही धीरे 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 स्नेल की चाल से चलते रहेंगे। If they really want to move higher and if they really want to ऐसा होता है ना कि कुछ लोग बिल्कुल अलग नजर आते हैं समाज में कि they are at their different level. To reach to the different level, they have to do the things differently. वरना तो जैसे जिंदगी चल ही रही है सबकी। So thank you very much, Nida, for joining us and for informing us about the workshop. And congratulations. And Jahaneman wishes you all the best for all your endeavors. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
थैंक यू मैडम, जज़ाकल्लाह खैर। अल्लाह ताला कामयाबी अता करे इंशाल्लाह।
Ameen, Suma Ameen.